The spa industry is constantly growing and evolving, and we can only expect it to become better than ever. From trending ingredients to different skincare layering methods, this is what we will be seeing this year and in the next year. Hi, I'm Ala Shapir, a spa owner of 2 of the Woodhouse day spas in Montclair and Hoboken. This is the Spa Runner channel where I cover topics such as health, wellness, and beauty. I know those of you who follow me may be asking questions. So what happened to the Red Bank Spa?
What?
Stay until the end and I will tell you what happened. And here are 7 trends that are going to be big in the next couple of years. Number 1, retinol. From the retinol sandwiching trend to the great retinol versus bok choy, I don't know how to pronounce. Debate retinol will continue to grow as a popular ingredient in the next months. This active ingredient provides great anti-aging benefits. It changes the skin slowly and consistently, which is why it has become very popular in a lot of skincare trends and products. Apart from retinol sandwiching, skin cycling is another skincare trend that highlights retinol as a key part of the routine. Expect to see even more from this amazing ingredient in the next months. My favorite retinol products are Dr. Babor Power Serum Ampoules, I don't have it right now, and SkinCeuticals retinol. I use 0.3 and 0.5, where 0.3 is the lowest and 1 is the highest for retinol. If you never incorporate retinol in your skincare routine yet, just start using it with a concentration of 0.3 to prevent irritation. If you're finding value in this video, please give me a thumb up. It will make a huge difference in growing my channel. By the way, I made a video on how to use retinol for beginners for acne and anti-aging, and you can watch it here. Number 2 trend, skin minimalism. This trend really began to gain popularity last year, and it will only continue to grow. Long gone are the days of 15-step skincare routines. While people are willing to spend money on skincare, they are opting for a more streamlined routine. This can be through multi-use products, which are expected to be on the rise this year. People are going to be looking for products that can benefit the skin in more than one way. An example of such a product is a new product from Babor called Retinol Toner. It contains both retinol and hyaluronic acid, and it both exfoliates and plumps up the skin at the same time. I started using this product recently and I love my skin. It is silky and smooth with no irritation. Number 3, barrier repair. Get prepared for consumers to put a real focus on their skin's overall health rather than over-exfoliating the skin. This year we will be focusing on ingredients and products that will maintain the health of the skin. A healthy moisture barrier helps to keep the skin hydrated and smooth. This trend will lead to hydrating skin trends, like hydrating sunscreens, face serums, and oils. Here are a few examples great for barrier repair. SkinCeuticals sunscreen is very hydrating, and rejuvenating oil as well. Number 4 trend, glutathione. As an ingredient, it's going to become the new tranexamic acid this year. This ingredient has powerful antioxidant properties as well as anti-aging, anti-inflammatory, and brightening benefits. The fact that this ingredient also helps to boost overall skin health coincides with the barrier repair skincare trend, with this ingredient helping to boost overall skin health. I saw Paula's Choice and Dr. Perricone carrying products which have glutathione as one of the ingredients. Number 5 trend, Tweakments. Tweakments is taking a whole new meaning with the hyaluronic acid injections that are trending in what people are calling the glass facial. These injections are designed to provide deep hydration to the skin while enhancing collagen and smoothing out fine lines. Another area that falls into this would be non-invasive skincare treatments like red light therapy and radiofrequency. No-tox is a coin term that uses different skincare and devices that provide the same anti-aging effects as Botox without the injection. Number 6 trend, hypochlorous acid. This ingredient is essentially a disinfectant for your face. Hypochlorous acid is going to be a major ingredient this year thanks to its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. This ingredient can treat a variety of skin conditions, but it is especially great for eczema and psoriasis. This ingredient can also be used on sensitive skin. Number 7 trend, Hydrafacial, my favorite. These advanced facials use the most innovative products for useful glowing skin. It's becoming an in-demand service because it creates an instant wow factor in terms of brightening and firming of the skin. At Woodhouse Day Spa, we offer Hydrafacials, and you can choose the best one on our website. I will share the link in the description. It is the best result-oriented facial. Make an appointment now to have smooth, useful looking and glowing skin. And I made a video about this, which you can watch here. I recommend doing Hydrafacials once a month for a better result. And like I promised at the beginning, I will tell you what happened to the Red Bank Spa. The truth is, nothing happened to the Red Bank Spa. I sold it to a wonderful new owner who is going to continue with the same Woodhouse concept, with the same luxurious treatments and products. I want to wish her all the best of luck, to the new owner and to my former employees. I will miss them all. Here are more beauty and skincare videos on my Spa Runner channel.